pull this out, we're going to use some Magic Lube and lubricate the O-ring. Well, that right there might be a problem. What was that? Today we're going to fix the squeaky faucet. This is annoying in the middle of the night when somebody gets up to use the bathroom and washes their hands. Let me show you how to fix that real quick. Okay, this should be real simple. You need a pry tool, such as a knife. Pop the cap off, take a Phillips screwdriver, take this screw off. I've got my sink plug so I don't lose any tools. Some pliers, take this nut off and loosen it up. Make sure the water is turned off. Pull this out. We're going to use some Magic Lube and lubricate the O-ring. Well, that right there might be a problem. What was that? Where did it come from? I see. That wasn't supposed to happen on film, but it did, so we're going to deal with it. I see you wanting to touch something. What is it?
Should I pause it?
No, we're just going to deal with it. Alright. That's the seal that goes on the bottom right here. Water comes through here, and it the seal is either over the blank part of the steel or over the open part of the steel plate, so it rotates. When it rotates, the water's on or off. So that's one of the things that's squeaking. We're going to lubricate this surface and the O-ring that goes around here, which would keep it from leaking. And when we do that, that should fix the leak. So just a little bit of Teflon on that, a little bit on this O-ring right here, move it around, put some on the back side of that plate right there. All right, I gotta get down in there where I can see. No, I gotta get down in there where I can see. I can't see. Lubricate this plate here and the O-rings, and you got a keyway. There's a little keyway on these cartridges. Stick it back down in there and push it in. Put your nut back on and tighten it. Just gonna snug these up a little bit. Okay. Faucet's good and tight. I've already done the other side. And put your knobs back on, and your squeaking has gone away. It's that simple. Put the screw back in, put the cold cap back on, the other cap on, and you're good to go. Now everything's back together. Working quietly. I went ahead and did the ones in the shower. And if I turn those on, I will get wet. That'd be a mess, wouldn't it? They work great, and it's really fast. Really fast. It's worth its while. If you don't have that Magic Lube, you might try to use some Vaseline. I'm sure it would work for a while anyway, but that Magic Lube is specifically formulated for the plumbing, so it's like pure Teflon, and it works fantastic. So give it a shot. Thanks for watching.